International Phonetic Association is an organization which is responsible for taking care of the phonetic and phonological analyses of world languages. It's a very, active body, and it has got so many, support and so many facilities, and it has created so many resources for the description of the sounds of world languages. They are maintaining continuously the record of not only human possible speech sounds, but they are also providing inventories and also various resources, data, which are used for the description of speech sounds. Right, so I'm to introduce IPA in this session with you, to you. International Phonetic Association as a body was established in 1886 when very professional, very active phoneticians from Great Britain, from Germany, from France, and from Denmark, when they just sat together and they decided to form this body, and they decided to go for working more actively for the study of speech sounds. Although the description of English sounds or the transcription of English sound was systematically present since 1850s, right? But they did not have a proper system for other languages of the world. So therefore, that organization was formed in 1886 in Paris. They established IPA. IPA means International Phonetic Association, but IPA also means International Phonetic Alphabets, right? So for both, we use IPA. IPA is a body covers all languages of the world. It's not specifically for developed languages, but they are also working on small languages and also minor and regional languages, right? They are also maintaining a journal which is called the Journal of the IPA, and Cambridge University Press. They are publishing that journal, right? A very prestigious journal. And they are also creating resources for the teaching of languages, like the developed languages, and they are also creating resources for the maintenance of languages, like by documenting their sounds, and also by studying them and then publishing them within the journal. The major focus in 1886 was to work on the spoken language, because maybe the written language is available in literature, but the language which was missing at that time was the spoken language. So they decided to work on speech sound, and that's why it is Phonetic Association. Let me take you to the website of IPA, International Phonetic Association. You see the address is there on the address bar, and this is the website of IPA. They've also phonetically transcribed in International Phonetic Association. This is the home page. We are on the home page right now. You can just see that how to contact them and see the executive council, and also read their reports, editorial team, and also you can have a look on the history of IPA and statutes, since it's a body. So they also have got their own statutes, that how is the body operated. For news, you can visit their newsletter. For membership, you can join them as a professional or as a student also, or you can then, when you are a member, you can also use your portal. Alphabets, you can have a look on the full IPA chart, which covers all languages of the world so far, documented languages, right? And also IPA fonts, you can download them, and you can also use the sound recording and the handbook. They're also maintaining a journal, IPA journal, right? And then also the members of the permanent councils. You can also take exams, right? This link is for exams. If you are just to pass an exam phonetically of a language, and you can apply for grants. They also offer grants to phoneticians and to researchers. And there are some more links also from where you can participate and read their blogs and linguistics and also phonetics and so many other, right? Speech and hearing. So it is a very big resource for the students of phonetics and phonology. And they have written about the IPA home here. And these are the, the new version of IPA, which was just updated in 2015. After 2005, this was the major update in 2015. for IPA charts, which you can see from here. And then they also organize seminars and conferences. So you can also have a look and just go through many more editions, because this website is continuously updated, right? So it may be changed in future. They may be putting up some more major features, and they may also be just putting off some of these resources, and they may be updating some of these charts. So as a student of phonetics and phonology, you must be visiting them and also learning about the sounds of the world languages.